And earlier this week, ABC7 learned that some local hospitals are moving COVID-19 infected patients to nursing homes with special COVID-19 units to manage the overflow of patients, some homes dealing with outbreaks of their own.
ABC7's Brianna Chavez has been following this story closely. She spoke to a woman whose mother was recently moved from a local hospital to a nursing facility and is concerned for her mother's safety. She joins us live now from West El Paso. Good evening, Brianna.
Well, good evening, JC and Kate. Well, one woman from Alpine actually reached out to us. She says her mother was flown in from Alpine to El Paso and ended up at this nursing rehabilitation facility right behind me, Grace Point Wellness Center. She says she saw our original report earlier this week and she realized she wasn't the only family being impacted. And now she's asking for these nursing facilities to be more transparent.
We're just worried about our mom.
Larry Lewis Quigg, daughter to 81-year-old Dale Brown of Alpine, Texas, says her mother broke her back this July and was flown to Del Sol Medical Center, one of the hospitals ABC7 confirmed relies on COVID-19 units. Their chief medical officer says they turn to facilities like nursing homes to provide more care required for some hospitalized patients before going home. Quigg tells ABC7 Del Sol staff worked to move her mom to this nursing rehab facility, Grace Point Wellness Center, on Thursday. Quigg says Brown tested negative for COVID-19 at Del Sol, but after not hearing from her mom or the facility for quite some time, her sister was told Saturday by a nurse that her mother was moved to a designated COVID floor Friday and tested positive, but was then told she was actually negative.
So they moved her to the positive floor, but in a negative hallway. So I asked him, I said, why did your nurse tell my sister that she tested positive? And he said, no, they didn't tell your sister that. We called to notify you guys that there are positive patients on that floor and wanted you to know that we're taking every precaution necessary to protect your mother.
ABC7 asked Dr. Hector Ocaranza, city county health expert, who tells family members their loved ones are being moved to these facilities.
They have their case managers, social workers that are in communication with family members when a transfer is going to be done. They always keep that communication so family members, relatives know.
We can't get a straight answer from anybody there. We don't know if she's positive or if she's negative. We don't know why they moved her from her original room. It's not fair to mom and it's not fair to us. It's not fair to other patients there. Who knows what's going on?
And Grace Point Wellness Center is owned by Paramount Healthcare Consultants. We did reach out to them for comment, but unfortunately did not hear back in time for this newscast.